Hey there, I'm Selim, and welcome to MarkCopy, the AI writing tool that helps you create high-quality content quickly and easily. But you might be asking, who are we and what we do differently? Well, we are a team of marketers, engineers, and tech enthusiasts who have come together to make it easily for anyone to create content using AI. And let me show you what set us apart from other writing tools out there. And now I'm on the rocket mode, so I can create a full blog post in less than 2 minutes. Let me show you how it works. So the first thing is to select my copy language. So here it's going to be English. Then I can write my title, the title that I want the AI to write for me. And here we are going to choose how to write a blog post. Very, very easy. Then after we have our title, we are going to select a tone of voice. So here I can choose plenty of different tone of voice that I have here on the platform. I can choose the professional tone of voice. I can choose the friendly tone of voice, the optimistic, the scientist, and the journalist. I'm just going to keep professional for now because, I really want my content to sound professional. So I'm going to go for it. I have my title, which will talk about how to write a blog post. This is a content that we could do at Mark. I selected a tone of voice and I selected the language as well. I'm going to click on next. Then the AI is going to recommend me SEO keywords. That's how we are different than the competition, because we are really focusing and helping you on the use cases. So with us, you have an all-in-one tool, AI plus SEO. That makes it super valuable, and that will help you to create optimized content. Creating content is cool, but creating optimized content that will bring you traffic is even better. So I'm just going to select my main keyword. Here it's going to be how to write a blog post, because I want to let Google know that this article is about how to write a blog post. And this will indicate to the AI that I want my article to be optimized for this main keyword. All right, so let's click on next. As you can see here, the AI just generated me my outlines. So I'm saving time here, because if I would start from a blank page, it would take so much time. So now I have write a blog post, choose a title. I'm just going to delete this one. Don't hesitate to regenerate here. I could regenerate the entire outline, but I'm pretty satisfied with this one. I can even generate more outline here. All right. Who can write a blog post? Where to start writing a blog post? What to write? So I have a lot of different ideas that the AI is going to give to me. I'm just going to stick with the original suggestions of the AI, and then I'm going to click on next. Now, this step is very important. This is where the co-creation begins, because I have my H2, so I have my sections, the sections of my article, and as you can see, it adds a lot of structure to it. But I also have my H3 here, so I go in depth in the structure of my article. So the first thing when you choose a title is you're going to research a topic and really talk to the AI like it's your friend. These are H2 and H3, but don't hesitate to be exhaustive here. Like, you can add a lot of details, and the more details you're going to add, the better results you're going to get. So I have my outline. Basically, I co-create with the AI. So I'm going to give a lot of suggestions here. I can add a subsection. I can delete some subsections. So the goal here is to really give a brief to the AI. All right. And you won't have this on any other tool. This approach of AI plus SEO is really unique on Mark. And now the final step is I'm going to ask Mark to generate the entire article from me. And as you can see, in a few minutes, I will have a full blog post that I can start with. So it's my first draft. And when I have this first draft, it's really easy to get started. So Mark here is going to generate my whole content. It's even like magic. This is the magic, the beauty of AI nowadays, is that you can start a full blog post without any writing knowledge. You can be a complete beginner, and then you can co-create with the AI to have more ideas and to create faster. And really the goal of the tool is to supercharge your content creation. So now you can create high quality content much faster using Mark. And as you can see, I'm going to have all of this content that of course will need editing. It's super important that to edit your article, to add images, to add videos, to really make it valuable to your users. But now I start with a super nice draft that I can use. And by the way, this draft is fully original and is unique, so you won't find it anywhere online. That's the the value of AI. You're going to start an original and unique content, and that's really the value here. So I have my full blog post, and then I'm just going to click on continue here. And voila, I have my full article, and it's 2,500 words, which is a big piece of article, right? So the cool thing here is that if I put my primary keyword, which was how to write a blog post, I'm going to click on select. You can see that we have a clear SEO optimization. We still have some work to do, we still have some keywords to add, but we start with a solid first draft, and that's the value of Mark. So as you can see, with Mark, you can 10x your content creation and be more visible. And we are the best to show you how, because we are using our own product to scale our content strategy. We will show you how to get the results because we understand the importance of great content. And we also understand the importance of creating great content in less time. Whether you're writing a LinkedIn post, a blog article, or even an email, getting your message across and having a great quality text is so key to get your message across. Whether you're writing a LinkedIn post or a blog article or even an email, a well-written text is key so that you can get your message across. It's so important. And ultimately, what's the goal of this? What's the goal of this for you? What the benefits for you? Well, it's a higher SEO rankings, it's more leads, and it's an increased visibility because you have content that really help your audience. And that's how you will scale your content creation and your business. So in short, MarkCopy AI is a great writing assistant that can help you create high quality content quickly and easily. But don't take my words for it, start your 7 days free trial. I'm sure you will be impressed by what Mark can do. And together with Mark, let's take your content to the next level.